Is that old butter? Old butter. Okay, on to the next one. Ready? Dun dun dun. They got pizza. We're in there, y'all. Hot dogs. A little relish for your hot dogs. Wash it down with some root beer, guys. Stuffed DiGiorno's. Good morning or afternoon, FB, YT, YouTube, not FB. Me and my brothers out scrapping again. Got a few air conditioner units with the radiators and copper. I didn't record getting the first ones because it was like hurry up and get them. Maintenance man gave me a bunch of HVAC and AC units, and we're getting all the radiators and copper off of them. They already been drained. There's no gas in them or nothing. It's a nice little load of non-ferrous though. We got maybe 5 or 6 heavy radiators, and we're gonna fill this thing to the roof and fly down the scrapyard. It's kind of late start today. We also got some of the blower motors. My brother cut a few of them out, and I still gotta mess with some more. But we're getting it. YouTube, not Facebook. Stand by, I'll get more footage. This guy's bone dry and it's old. It's taking this heavy compressor off. We're gonna add this to the non-ferrous section. There's a car battery in here as well. These little screws are a headache sometimes until you take the sides off, and then they work great. Still have another heater blower motor to pull off. There's another one in there. If we have time, we'll take that off. And chopping up a bunch of copper and brass. Let me show you that. There's another heater motor we could pull off. Small pile of copper off of everything so far. That was a yoke. We're getting it. Keep filling this thing up. Some radiators in the back. Okay, these are blower motors. They are a headache to get out. Let me see here. Hold on. Loosen to the left. We pop this off first. 9 times out of 10, I've said this before, these are binded on here and they're not easy to get off. This one just slid down right away. Sometimes they do fall off, but most of the time they're hard to get out. Most of the time. You can beat them down, loosen the screw, beat them down enough to get in here behind this and cut. There's a post that holds this motor on there. Like cut right here, bend that back, and then cut it. And it should fall out easy that way. This one, oh my gosh, it came out. I was just saying how difficult these are to get off. Yeah, this post is thick metal, so I use the titanium tip bit. It's different than the little weak one. This little weak bit doesn't cut these good, or it dulls fast. But got one out. I'm gonna get 2 out. There's a couple more up in there already. There's another one right here. We might pull out blower assembly. You're supposed to take these fins off, but I'll probably just leave it like that. Okay. Non-ferrous is in the back. This one ain't gonna come off easily. Change bit. Somebody was just asking me to make a video doing this. I did it in another video a while ago. Okay, there's one. Just want to be able to get in there, basically. Okay. Somehow we pry this open or cut it open. Get behind here. There we go. Get behind there, boom. Can you guys see that? We get in here, cut that, and it'll drop right off. So I switch to this thicker bit. Yeah, hold on, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna cut all that off. Get behind here. It's about halfway. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. You see how thick that is? It's pretty thick steel. I'm gonna real quick pull these fins off the side, and then we got another motor, another blower motor. It's frustrating if you have to do like 10 of these in a row. It's time consuming, but you get more money for the motor weight, obviously. So if you have time or a helper, both of y'all, one can help and one can pull motors apart for 20 minutes.
Is that YouTube?
Yeah, me and my brother's getting it. Kappa, 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 kappa. We literally got like 7. We got a bunch of radiators this time. Yeah, all the radiators are just thrown in there. We'll get more footage in a little bit, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we have here a YUCK fridge. We have here some reusable gloves that I won't be reusing. They match my shirt. How do you like that, YouTube? Do you guys want to see some dinner from 3 months ago? Because I do. I hope they got a pizza or a lasagna in here. Or some cinnamon toast crunch. Something good. Something good. Something good. YUCK fridge. YUCK fridge. Everything must go, guys. YUCK fridge. Musical chairs. Everything must go, guys. Ready? Oh yeah, we have some cookies and cream. Some funky broccoli. Fiji, at least they got a little water. Yuck frizz. Y'all want a drink? Y'all want a drink? Old ice cream or something? Gelato. Some old meat. Ooh, frozen chicken. Yeah. Ugh. This is what I do it for. Some ground beef if you want tacos. Some kind of funky chicken legs. Corn, I think. Chicken strips. Anybody hungry for chicken strips? We don't want the maggots. Ew. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Yuck fridge, 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 chicken breast. There you go. No antibiotics ever. Everything must go. Oh, there's the little creamers for the toaster strudels. Save that. Save that. Freezies. Get out of here, flies. Please. We do not want to touch that stuff. Alright, that's pretty good for the yuck fridge. Is that old butter? Old butter. Okay. On to the next one. Ready? Dun dun dun. They got pizza. We're in there, y'all. Hot dogs. A little relish for your hot dogs. Wash it down with some root beer, guys. Stuffed DiGiorno's. This is better than going to Safeway or Giant. Maryland has Giant and Safeway grocery stores. I don't know what y'all like. You got some rolls. Bread. Heavy whipping cream. That can't smell good right now. Moldy hot dog rolls. Cheese. More cheese. More bread. Cinnamon raisin. There we go. Cinnamon raisin. You guys see that? Woo! How many loaves of bread can y'all have? Sheesh. Ugh. Don't breathe anything in when you're doing this. Okay. Savory buttery rolls, guys. Little pizza. Some eggs. Keep them. Eggs were like $30 a dozen last month. 2 months ago. Everybody was freaking out. Ew. That's what we don't want. Juicy carrots. You guys want to make a stew? I got baby carrots. Yeah. Yeah. Yuck fridge. Yuck fridge. Yuck fridge. Yuck fridge. Yuck fridge. Colby Jack. Mexican. Cheddar Jack. There we go, guys. These people never ate the rest of the bread. They just bought new bread. Bologna, hot dogs, taco casserole or macaroni or something. Macaroni. There we go, guys. Who likes macaroni and cheese? I like macaroni and cheese. Yuck fridge, yuck fridge. Yeah, yuck fridge. String cheese. My dog loves that. My dog absolutely likes string cheese. Yeah, baby. Okay, that's pretty good for the yuck fridge. They left us a pudding, guys. Snack pack. If it's butterscotch, I want it. I don't know about chocolate or vanilla. Alright. Reusable gloves that we're not going to reuse. Ugh. All right, guys, we load this on the back of the truck, strap in, and head down. We are down Dundalk, Maryland at Al Metal's, about to take this load in here. We got a lot of radiators and stuff like I put on the camera. About to throw it out and get weighed up. Going to the same yard again because they pay the best and they have candy and there's no processing fee per ton. Al Metal's. There's the claw machine. I don't know how to zoom in with this. There he is. I'm gonna go get weighed up. See how much millions we make. We are throwing this little bit of steel off. There's the fridge. It's an avalanche. Is it bungee? Okay. Stop. Oh, there you go. Throwing all this out. Watch out, bro. Save all the motors and stuff somewhere. Sorry. I think he's just made some room for us. Hey, I think. There's a motor. Aluminum. Yeah, them things are heavy, ain't they? Things got a lot of weight on them, bro. Another motor. Another motor. A couple motors. We'll get some more in a minute. Okay, we threw out all that. Getting weighed up again. It was like 73. No, it's like 64. Like 900 pounds ain't much. But there's a decent amount of radiators and stuff like that back there. Nice amount of copper too, so should add up to a decent amount. We'll see. That was 940 pounds of straight steel, light iron, whatever you call it. And then we're gonna go get a ticket sign and take it to the Nonferrous part. A very rare look in the non-ferrous section that I almost never take. Nice setup. They bring whole air conditions here. I guess you can't see the glare real good. Non-ferrous sections over here. It's like chained up and they got all this so nobody can steal it, I guess, on the weekends. I'm waiting for one customer and then we'll go in there. That's just about everything. We dropped all the copper and stuff off. Gave them all the motor ends and all. And then we'll get our ticket in a minute and see how much millions we got. Wowzers, $146 in non-ferrous. The radiators was 66 bucks. Them big heavy compressors are 25, 24. Number 2 copper, all that copper was 25. The motors $12.25. Yeah, yeah, getting it. Plus 940 pounds would be $94. We're looking good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, real fast, 146 plus 94. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 220, and 40. Not bad at all. A few hours worth of work, on to the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Time to go get some more weight. We need everything must go, guys.